Welcome and congratulations on finding Longrich. Now, you are one step closer than you have ever been to banking life-changing amounts of residual income from the comfort of your own home. And all you need to do to make your dreams come true is to share this opportunity and Longrich high-quality products with others, which will allow you to earn a part-time income or build a full-time business, whichever you prefer. You can enjoy a good lifestyle with freedom in finance and work by doing our business. And that's because Longrich International Compensation Plan is one of the most lucrative and truly balanced compensation plans around. Now please allow me to show you one of the most powerful compensation plans. Before starting, here are some basic concepts that you should know. PV means point value. Every Longrich product has an equivalent value. Generations are considered as your direct referrals. Spillover, the distributor who is brought forward by your uplines and are considered part of your placement tree. Sponsor tree, where your direct referrals are placed. Placement tree, this is where your direct referrals and spillovers are counted. Lakes means groups. Reference lakes, or sharing groups, means the group is not used for bonus calculation. Level means placement of your downlines. There are a total of 4 entry levels in Longrich. The first entry level is Platinum VIP account with 1680 PV. The second entry level is a Gold account with 720 PV. The third entry level is a Silver account with 240 PV. The fourth entry level is a Q Silver account with 60 PV. Now this is an advanced and powerful compensation plan which offers greater profitability and eliminates the pitfalls, drawbacks and weakness of traditional network marketing systems. It will propel you towards financial freedom. So, how would you earn in doing this Longrich business? With Longrich, you can earn money in 9 different ways, including 4 major bonuses and 5 main incentives as following: performance bonus, development bonus, leadership bonus, retail or maintenance order bonus, Star Director Worldwide Incentive, Platinum VIP Incentive, Travel Incentive, Luxury Car Incentive, and Luxury House Incentive. The first way you earn is the performance bonus, and its calculation is based on the entry level you take. If your entry level is Platinum VIP account, the performance bonus is 12% of the total points value accumulated with the potential maximum income of $22,500 per week per leg. If your entry level is a Gold account, your performance bonus is 10% of the total points value accumulated with the potential maximum income of $7,500 per week per leg. If your entry level is a Silver account, the performance bonus is 8% of the total bonus value accumulated with the potential maximum income of $1,500 per week per leg. If your entry level is a Q Silver account, your performance bonus is 8% of the total bonus value accumulated with the potential maximum income of $750 per week per leg. The entry level that we will use as an example is the Platinum VIP account. For example, this is you. As a leader, you can build 3 groups under your network: Group A, Group B, and Group C. For example, the first week, you have accumulated 150,000 group points value or GPV in Group A. And another Group B, you have accumulated 100,000 GPV. And Group C, you have accumulated 50,000 GPV. Now, you have to remember that the group which have the highest accumulated GPV will be classified by the system as the reference leg or sharing group, and the other two legs will be your payout leg or bonus group. Now, since Group A has the highest accumulated GPV, then this will be classified by the system as the reference leg, and Group B and Group C will be classified as your payout leg. Here is the sample computation of your payouts in your first week. Under Group B, it will be computed as 100,000 GPV times 12%, which equals to $12,000. Under Group C, it's 50,000 GPV times 12% equals $6,000. So your total earnings for your first week is $18,000. On your second week, under Group A, you have accumulated 250,000 GPV, and under Group B, you have accumulated 200,000 GPV, and under Group C, you have accumulated 150,000 GPV. Now, since Group A has the highest accumulated GPV, this will be classified as the reference leg, and Group B and C will still be your payout leg. Now, the sample for the computation for your second leg will be 200,000 GPV minus 100,000 GPV. That was stated in your first week times 12% equals $12,000. And for Group C, it's computed as 150,000 GPV minus 50,000 GPV times 12% equals $12,000. So your total earnings from your second week is $24,000. Now on your third week, you have accumulated 350,000 GPV on your Group A, and under Group B, you have accumulated 400,000 GPV, and under Group C, you have accumulated 250,000 GPV. Again, the group with the highest accumulated GPV will be classified as the reference leg. So on your third week, the reference leg will be under Group B, and in this case, Group A and Group C will be your payout leg. The sample computation for the payout of your third week will be under Group A, which is 350,000 minus 200,000 GPV, taken from the GPV accumulated from your first and second week. This equals 150,000 GPV times 12% equals $18,000. And under Group C, 250,000 GPV minus 150,000 GPV, which equals to 100,000 GPV times 12% equals $12,000. So your total earnings for your third week is $30,000. The second way to earn is through the development bonus, where you get 10% weekly based on placement 3. Spillovers are also counted. The requirement for you to get the development bonus is to have a minimum of 2 legs, with at least 60 PV, entry level, with at least 60 PV, entry level. The first time computation for this development bonus, let's say on your first week, for your first level, your Group A achieved 1,680 PV. And under Group B, you achieve 720 PV. And under Group C, you achieve 60 PV. Now, the system will determine the reference leg based on your group with the highest point value. And the group is Group A. So Group A is your reference leg on your level 1, and the payout leg on your level 1 is your Group B and Group C. The development bonus computed as follows: 720 PV times 10% equals $72. It's 60 PV times 10% equals $6. So your total earnings from your level 1 is $78. Now for level 2, the reference leg will be Group C, because it has the highest PV of 1,680. So the payout group will be Group A and Group B. The computation of the development bonus on your level 2 will be as follows: 720 PV times 10% equals $72. 720 PV was chosen, and this is the highest PV under Group A. Now under Group B, it's 720 PV times 10% is also another $72, because 720 is also the highest PV under Group B. So the total earnings of your level 2 is $144. Now on your level 3, as you can see, all groups have achieved 1,680 PV. So the system will only choose one group as the reference leg. And in this example, we have chosen Group A. So the payout leg is Group B and Group C. So the development bonus for level 3 will be computed as follows: 1,680 PV times 10% is $168, and another 1,680 PV times 10% is also another $168. So the total earnings is $336. So your total bonus for this week is computed as follows: 78 plus 144 plus 336 equals to $558. The third way to earn is through leadership bonus. Leadership bonus entitles you to receive percentage of performance bonus up to 12 generations based on sponsor tree and ranking. For 1 diamond, you get 10% leadership bonus on your first generation, with the total of 10% leadership bonus with the minimum GPV of 720 PV. For 3 diamond, you get 10% leadership bonus on your first generation, 5% leadership bonus on your second and third generation, with the total of 20% leadership bonus with the minimum GPV of 3,600 and an organization with a minimum of 2 legs, with 1 2 diamond in each leg. For 6 diamond, you get 10% leadership bonus on your first generation and 5% leadership bonus on your second to 6th generation, with a total of 35% leadership bonus with the minimum GPV of 250,000. And the organization has a requirement of a minimum of 2 legs with 1 5 diamond distributor in each leg, and a new weekly new volume of 250 PV. For 5-star director, you get 10% leadership bonus on your first generation and 5% leadership bonus on your second to 7th generation, and 1% leadership bonus on your 8th to 12th generation. So with a total of 45% leadership bonus with the minimum GPV of 60 million, and an organization with the minimum requirement of 3 legs with 1 3-star director in each leg, and a weekly new group volume of 20,000. The fourth way to earn is the retail order bonus. All of the distributors are required to purchase products with 30 PV every month to maintain their accounts in order to get their commissions. By this maintenance, you can earn up to 15 levels based on your placement tree. Spillovers are counted based on the maintenance of 30 PV every month. The retail order bonus is computed as 30 PV times 4.5% equals to $1.35. For example, if you have 100 distributors who maintains 30 PV every month, then you receive a retail order bonus of $135 a month. But if you have 1,000 Longrich distributors, then you receive $1,350 a month. But what if you have 10,000 Longrich distributors? Then you receive $13,500 every month. Now that's a lot of money for just 30 PV per month. Second way to earn from retail order bonus is based on your sponsor tree. On top of the 30 PV maintenance every month, you can earn up to 45% of retail order bonus by placing your repeat or maintenance orders either by yourself or distributors within your sponsor tree. Percentage is based on PV, earned on top of maintenance. If you exceed 3,500 PV, you will then be promoted to a super distributor, or as we call it, SD. Now, there are three ways to become a super distributor. First, if your distributors repeat or maintain orders which are over 3,500 PV. Second, if one of your distributors become a super distributor, then you also become a super distributor. Third, if two of your distributors become super distributors, then you will also become a super distributor. Now, what if three of your distributors become super distributors? When this happens, you will then receive a 3SD and will receive a breakaway of 10% bonus. Now, Longrich rewards you even further for building your business through its lifestyle rewards program. We have incentives and global sharing like the Platinum VIP incentive, World incentive, and Star Director Worldwide incentive. So, have you seen enough? Are you excited to start building a full or part-time business and start earning money by promoting Longrich advanced and high-quality products, as well as a genuinely unique business opportunity? If so, then it's time to get started. And this concludes the presentation for the Longrich marketing plan. Thank you for listening, and we would love to see you again soon.